My name is Brady Patoka, and I did my speech on Spanish culture. Here's my audience of three people. Spanish culture is full of unique genres of music, dance, and festivals. Located in Europe, Spain has a bountiful population of 46.785 million people, in comparison to the United States, which has 332 million people. It is full of beautiful beaches and lots of sunshine. After my experience in high school with two foreign exchange students from Spain, I have become familiar with some Spanish cultures and traditions. Spain has a vibrant culture that includes families with close ties to religion, delicious foods, and exciting festivals. Spain is similar to our culture in some ways, but our most common way is through our religion. According to Cultural Atlas by Neva Eveson, posted in 2018, 68.5% of Spaniards are Catholic, 26.4% are atheists or irreligious, and 2.6% are undefined. Of the 68.5% that are Roman Catholics, 14.1% attend Mass every Sunday, 59% rarely attend, and from those two statistics you can tell that not many Catholics spend time at church and would rather be more religious at home. And because it has been the official religion since 589 AD, it has had a long-standing influence on the Spanish culture. While religion plays a part in many Spaniards' lives, food is also very important. Food is a big tradition in Spanish culture. Olive oil as a base, parsley, oregano, rosemary, thyme, garlic, and chicken, pork, lamb, and veal are very common ingredients in a lot of foods in Spanish culture. John Riverside talks about common foods in his article, Spanish Food History, published in 2012. In the article, he talks about churros, tortillas, potato dishes, and many more foods as common foods in Spanish culture. All these common foods can be found at Spanish festivals. One of these festivals is Running of the Bulls. Located in Pamplona, Spain, it is hosted from July 7th to the 14th. It has 6 Spanish bulls and additional steers running through the streets with people. There are over 1 million spectators, and it is part of the San Fermin Festival, which is one of the largest festivals in Spain. An additional festival is the Semana Santa, also known as Holy Week. As of 2022, Wiltron states in Top 5 Cultural Festivals in Spain Working Abroad that is hosted 6 days before Easter. There are many parade floats of sculptures of various people, and every city in Spain celebrates this tradition. While bullfighting in festivals is an exciting part of Spanish culture, it is important to remember that there's a lot more than just religion, food, and fun. Spanish culture is full of unique tradition that makes it a vibrant culture. Families are closely knit to the Spanish heritage and are very proud individuals. Between the music and dance that cannot easily be forgotten and the sunny beaches, Spain is a beautiful place full of beautiful people. Spain has a culture of close-knit families through the religion and food and the overall love for their home. Thank you. Oh, and here's my audio.